Well, I finally showed up. My Wyze Robot Vacuum. And you have the door. I'm going to open it up here. I'll probably spruce this unboxing up, or maybe not. You know, they say always cut toward yourself to maximize income. Alright. Well, we're just going to slide that over there. Well, you know, I had a good chance of having it right side up. Well, here we go. You ready? Top part we have, wow, an actual manual. How different is that nowadays, huh? It comes with that, a quick start guide, and the all-important safety instructions. Alright, so here we go. Nothing else in there. Alright, vacuum. Box inside a box inside a box. And these appear to be the outside brushes of the vacuum. And another one there, they give you as a spare. I'm just going to go ahead and leave that in there. Alright. I'll be needing that, I'm sure. Okay. Well, let's do this box here. I'm going to push that over just a little bit to the side. Inside this box we have an extra filter. It's encased in plastic, so it's probably going to be a proprietary type thing, so I don't know. But they do give you one. Hopefully they'll sell extra parts for these. And let's see what we have here. Now we have the charger, the wall charger. Okay. And right here we got the base station, the charging station. I'm going to leave this plastic on here just because that's the good thing about this charging station is you have water mitigation. You can actually wrap it around these two prongs here. Any excess wire, you plug it right in there, comes out this little hole here, which is a kind of cool deal. And here she is. Look at that. Oh, she's pretty. Shiny black. That'll get dirty and dusty fast, huh? Well, kind of cool. Need a bumpers. Alright. You have the dust dirt bin that has the filter in it, and that's where that extra filter goes, by the way. Looks like it just oh, there it is. Oh yeah. Yep, has a seal right there too, by the way. There is a little teeny mesh screen right here. So this should seal up nicely. Okay, and to open it, you just push down on this right here. How should I do? There we go, like that. And this is where you get dump all the goodies out of. You have this rubber seal here, you're going to keep that clean too. But it just clips together like that. So this little puppy, there you go, and this is your brush to, with the razor blade there to cut the hair off of the beater bar, and nice little brush there to clean stuff off. That's nice that they put it there. That knows how to get lost easily in my house. Alright, your buttons, that's about all that's under there. This is your LiDAR system. Well, let's turn it over and look at it here. Alrighty, that's where that brush goes. There it is. Alrighty, we're gonna pop that baby under out and add a certain way. Just square. Yep. Just to the square of the unit. Nope. And a nice little click. That's cool. Alright, here's your wheels. Nice rubber wheels too. Let's get some traction. Probably will take a bunch of hair with it too. We're going to open it up to your beater bar. Right there. That's pretty soft. I like that. Okay, cool. There we go. Other than that, I think that's about it. Right there for the bottom of the stand, huh? The independent suspension, which is good. Alrighty. Well, let's charge this puppy up and see what we can do with it, okay? Alright, well, we're going to need to charge this bad boy here. And to do that, you can see I've set my charger up there. It says to hold the power button for 3 seconds.
Turning on.
Alrighty, and we're waiting. We have the white flashing. I don't know if it's going to go to the charging station itself or if I'm going to manually have to push it up there. I believe I'm going to have to manually push it up there. Alrighty, guys, so. There we go.
Starting to charge.
And on her data it says starting to charge. It said it takes 2 hours on the first charge, so we'll let her do that and come back. Alright, so the manual said the very first time she charged about 2 hours. It's been 245 minutes, and as you can see, it's still blinking and charging. I'm going to go ahead and set it up anyway. Alrighty, we're going to go in and we're going to add device here in the Wyze app. Alrighty, we're going to go in and we're going to add device here in the Wyze app. Got it here in my hand, as you can see, right here. We'll open it up. We'll add a new device under home. And there she is, the Wyze Robot. Let's me press both buttons until it says Wyze connection has been reset.
Starting to charge. Wi-Fi connection has been reset. Awaiting network connection.
It's connecting, it says. I'm going to name it here. Oh, says we're set up. Well, I have an update, so we're gonna be a second here. All right, we are updated. So, I guess this is where we separate the men from the boys. You boys get over there. We're going to go ahead and map the house here.